Hey, what's going on? Today I'm going to teach you a couple blues licks. So if you're ready to go and get started, grab your C harmonica. These are a mix of some licks that involve bends and some that don't. So regardless of where you're at in your skill set, you should be able to pick at least a couple of these up. So let's go and get started. Here's a quick lick that I like to play. This is like super common in blues music, but in case you don't know it, we're going to do 2 draw, 2 whole step draw bend, 1 draw twice. That's it. And now you can use this at the end of any phrase that you're playing. So like, all right. Now for lick number 2, there's a little variation on this. Is more complicated. So this one we're going to go 2 draw, 2 whole step draw bend, 1 draw. Now we're going to go to 1 half step bend. You're going to bend up to 1 draw. And then you're going to go back to the half step bend, and then you're going to end it there. So like this. Kind of cool, right? Now you can use this at any time, like at the end of a phrase. The tabs are in the description. All right, let's move on to number 3. Here's the third one. Let me play it for you first. All right, so what we're doing is we're sliding up to 5 draw. So that's a glissando. So you're just gonna move your harmonica and you're stop at 5 draw. Then 5 blow twice, 4 draw twice, 4 blow twice, 3 half step bend, 2 draw, 2 whole step bend, 1 draw. Like, and then if you want to do that little bend thing at the 1 draw, you could do that too, kind of like that last lick we did. Now, before I continue, if you want to play any of these, but you can't bend, just simplify. Take any note that is going to normally bend and just make it the normal, like natural note. So this would be like 3 draw instead of 3 half step bend. So like, so instead of 2 whole step bend, 2 blow works better. Okay, so that's what you can do if you're still learning how to bend. I know it's kind of fast, right? But if you can get it up to speed and you can throw it in a jam, it's going to be really cool. All right, let's move on to number 4. Hey, real quick, if you want to be able to come up with ideas like this on your own and just get better at playing in general, I highly suggest you do some scale practice on a regular basis. So you can do something like this. I mean, just think about it. If you can play like this, and you can do that fast, you can probably take these ideas to make your own musical phrases. And that's exactly what I teach you in the scale cheat sheet. Go and get the link down below to learn how to practice your scales, get the notes, and then you'll find that it'll really help you with your playing. It's free, links in the description. Now on with the video. Here's another really quick one. It's just this. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's just 2 draw, 3 draw, 2 draw, 3 draw, 2 draw. Now, if you want to make it a little bit more minor, a little bluesier, you can do the 3 half step bend as well. Okay, so check that one out. This next one is pretty easy and fun. Let me play it for you. So here's the major version that does not use bends. Here's the minor version with the bends. So here's what we're doing. Here's the major one first. So we do 1 draw twice, 2 blow, 1 draw, 2 draw, 3 draw, and then back to 1 draw twice, 2 blow, 1 draw, 2 draw. All right, and if you want to go and add some bends, maybe make it a little bit more minor, we can replace those 2 blows with 2 whole step bend and the 3 draw with 3 half step bend. So it's like, here's the next lick I have for you. This one's very bend heavy, so you're gonna need to be able to bend to go and pick it up. So it's 3 half step bend, 3 whole step bend, 2 draw, 2 whole step bend, 1 draw. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so pick that up if you can bend. You gotta be able to go and isolate those different bends on hole 3 to have a chance at doing this. All right, let's pick up another. This one goes 3 whole step bend to 3 draw, 4 draw, 3 draw, 3 whole step bend, 2 draw. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Have fun picking that one up. This one feels very similar to the one I just taught you, but it's gonna be more minor and we're gonna shift up a whole. So it's like this, let me play it for you. So we're doing 4 half step bend, 4 draw, 5 draw, 4 draw, 4 half step bend, 3 half step bend, 2 draw. That's it. Now, of course, if you want to be able to do this without bending, you're not going to be able to fully get it because there really aren't any substitutions for like the 4 half step bend or something like that. But you could probably approximate something with a similar timing. Anyways, let's move on to the next one. This next one doesn't use any bends, and it's really great for the end of a blues progression. So you're going to go 4 blow, 3 draw, 4 blow, 3 draw, 4 blow, 4 draw, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See where you can fit that one in during a jam. Hey, if this video is helping you out, do me a favor and click the like button. It helps this video spread to more people. Thanks, and let's get on with the lesson. Here's another one, doesn't include any bends, and it's in the high octave this time. So we're gonna go 9 blow, 9 draw, 8 draw, 9 draw, 9 blow. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one can really add a lot of a pop in your playing just because it's up high. So if you just kind of throw that, you know, you're jamming, it really stands out and kind of breaks things up in a really nice way. And this last one does not include bends, but the timing is pretty tricky. So we're gonna play this. So it's 3 draw, 4 draw, 3 draw, 2 draw, 1 draw. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's really fun to play in kind of as you're heading towards 1 draw. So like if you're, you can kind of throw it in there real quick. I hope you had fun picking some of these up. You may be interested in checking out this video up here. I'll see you next time. Peace.